Everyone, welcome back to my vlog. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's vlog, I'm cooking beef broccoli for lunch and dinner today. So it's Wednesday, July 27, 2025. So beef and broccoli for our menu for lunch and dinner right here. So beef broccoli with onion, garlic, and this is the seasoning: Kikimon, soy sauce, light sodium, black pepper, and Knorr powder, and oyster sauce flavor. And that's it. And cook the beef broccoli for lunch and early dinner for tonight. So beef with broccoli for our lunch and early dinner. So thank you for watching, everyone. God bless. My God, shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. If you're new to my YouTube channel, if you haven't liked, share, and subscribe, please don't forget to follow the notification bell. Hit all to more updated for the next vlog, and watch the video until the end. It's me again, Nate Pinay Vlog of Maryland. Please subscribe and like. Thank you so much, and God bless you all so long, and see you again soon for the next vlog. And mega lot shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello everyone, shout out to you all, and hi to all my silent viewers, silent subscribers, to all my social media followers, and all of you guys. Thank you very much to all my supporters, my subscribers and followers. Thank you so much for all your support and for your time, and please, thank you, like and share, subscribe. Thank you so much. God bless, and see you again soon for the next vlog. Cooking broccoli, beef with broccoli for lunch and dinner tonight. Thank you, and God bless. So long, and see you again soon for the next vlog. God bless, everyone. That's it. It's half cooked. I don't want to be overcooked because it's not gonna be good. I don't like overcooked. So that's it for this video for today. Thank you, and God bless. Wednesday afternoon is August 27, 2025. Thank you, and God bless you all so long. Be safe as always. Have a good afternoon, have a good morning, have a good evening, and wherever you are in the whole world, stay safe as always. God bless. Love you guys, and stay safe as always. Thank you, and see you again soon for the next vlog.